fast, it's best before date, so I need to use this pile of cheese pronto. So it's young cheese or fresh cheese, it's sold, or twarog, similar to ricotta, slightly grainier maybe. So yeah, I'm gonna turn it in a lovely little bake, which you can use as a dessert or have it for breakfast. So this cheese is quite a dry one, about 800 grams, 2 egg yolks, pinch of salt, vanilla sugar, zest of 1 orange, and 2 tablespoons of semolina. If the cheese is wet, add 1 more spoon. So normally I would just use a fork and just give it a good mix. But it's the first time I'm trying to do it kind of properly, so I'm gonna use the blender. And not only that, I'm gonna whisk my egg whites separately and fold them in. A couple of minutes, very smooth texture and a drop of a spoon thickness. Be very generous with sultanas, because remember we almost have no sugar here. And it's nice anyway, the more the better, or you can add some other dry fruits such as dry apricots. 2 egg whites, about 2 minutes to reach those really stiff texture, and just fold them in gently. I think metal spoon works the best here. A small piece of butter melt and drizzle over, and some brown sugar I have here also. I sprinkled quite a bit. So in the oven, 180 degrees, 30-35 minutes, and then leave in the oven for 15 minutes before taking out of the oven, and let it cool first before turning it out like that, and completely cold, and then cut it to slices and serve.